Welcome to Kids Edu. Keep learning simple. Today we are going to learn about water. Water as a resource. Water is an important thing in our life. This chapter will teach us about sources of water, state of water, evaporation, condensation, water cycle, impurities of water, purification of water, rainwater harvest. Water is precious natural resource. It plays an important role in the life of all living things. Yes, we all require water. Without water, we cannot survive. We require water for washing, drinking, cooking, bathing. Sources of water. Sources of water are well, river, lake, rain, and dam. These are the sources of water, the water where we get and we can use them. State of water. There are three states of water: solid, liquid, and gas. Ice is a solid form of water. Ice on heating can change into water when it is melted. Water as in is liquid, but when water is further heated, it changes into water vapor. This process is known as evaporation. Gas. Water vapor on cooling can again change back into water by condensation. So it's a cycle. Water can also change into ice on cooling. This process is known as solidification. Evaporation. We know that during evaporation, a liquid changes into gas. Fill a container of water and place it on a stove. As the water heats, observe the gas rising up from the surface of water. The water evaporation is in the form of water vapor. Yes, when you heat the water starts evaporating. You can see the level of water, slow and steady. If you see, the water level goes down when it gets evaporated. Condensation. During condensation, a gas changes into liquid on cooling. When you keep ice on a plate, after few minutes you can see the ice melting. Later on it changes into water, liquid state. Yes, because of the heat, the water gets changed into the ice water gets changed into liquid. Water cycle. Sun heats and absorbs water from well, lake, river, seas. This process is known as evaporation. Water evaporation. Water vapor rises up in the air to a certain height, then cools and becomes water droplets. Water droplets comes together and form clouds. When the cloud becomes too heavy, it comes down in the form of rain. This process is known as water cycle. Water going up, evaporation, then forming clouds, and then water again coming down in the form of rain. Impurities of water. Rain is the main source of water. It fills pond, river, lakes. Water is the universal solvent, and in nature it is never totally pure. No matter how isolated it is from source of contamination, it is always have some chemical. Sand, dirt, mud, and germs. The substances that make water impure are called impurities. There are two types of impurities: soluble and insoluble. soluble impurities which can be solved, and insoluble are the impurities which cannot be solved. Purification of water. We cannot consume water from lake, river, pond, and even after removing the impurities, as there are some germs in water that is not safe for us to drink. Drinking impure water will make us fall sick. So we need to purify water before we consume it. Water purification can be done by boiling or by chlorinating or by water filter. These days we all use water filter for purification of water. Rainwater harvest. The important thing, there are many places that are harvesting rainwater for their day-to-day use. Rainwater harvesting system is one of the best method practiced and followed to support the conservation of water. Today, scarcity of good quality water has become a significant cause of concern. However, rainwater, which is pure and of good quality, can be used for irrigation, washing, cleaning, bathing, cooking, and also for other livestock requirements. So, at many places, you'll find people people collecting rainwater and harvesting it. They preserve rainwater so that when there is a scarcity of water, they can consume it. Save water to save your life. Yes, we need to save water if we have to save our life. In this chapter, we have learned about water, the sources of water, condensation, evaporation, impure water, how to purify it, and about rainwater harvesting. Thank you for watching my videos, and I would request you all to subscribe and like the video. Thank you once again.